Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to bake a fudgy chewy brownies. Now we're going to start with a quick preparation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then butter and line the baking pan you'll use with a foil or parchment paper to make it easy to remove in the pan. We will be needing 1 cup of melted butter or room temperature butter, 2 cups of sugar. We used 2 different kind of sugar to make it more chewy, and 1.5 of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of our cocoa, and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, a pinch of salt, and 4 whole eggs. Now, we're gonna put the butter, the sugar, the other one, we're gonna mix it first before we add the eggs. 2 eggs. Before we add the egg, we need to make sure that the butter and the sugar are well incorporated already. Now we're gonna add our 2 eggs in the bowl and start mixing again. In mixing, you can use stand mixer or hand mixer. While mixing our first wet ingredients in a separate bowl, you're gonna combine all the dry ingredients. The flour, our cocoa powder. Now that we add our cocoa powder, we're gonna add our 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of coffee, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna mix it together. Now that it's mixed, now we're going to combine it with our wet ingredients. After mixing our dry ingredients, we will be proceeding to combine our wet and dry ingredients. While combining the two, you'll be alternating the process by putting the rest of our egg, then the mixture of dry ingredients and egg again until you're done to mix it, and stand in your stand mixer or your hand mixer. We're gonna put our dry ingredients, then mix gently again. If your mixture went to the side, you're gonna scrape it off to the middle again. Now we're gonna put our egg, 1 egg at a time, and then we're gonna put our dry ingredients again. You're gonna scrape the sides again if the ingredients went in the side, so mix it well. Now we're gonna add our last egg. And when you're done mixing all of our ingredients, you're gonna put it in a pan. You're gonna get your pan. We're gonna put it in the pan and bake for 20 minutes or less. We're gonna set our timer for 20 minutes. We're gonna bake it for 20 minutes inside our oven. After we bake our brownies, we wait to cool it down before we cut it. After cooling, we're now gonna cut it. Oops. Moist. And that's how to make fudgy chewy brownies. Bye. Thank you for watching.